not mistake vulnerability with falling on the stage crying. Which is what a lot of people think, what, I need to cry? No, you don't need to cry. You need to speak to people's hearts. You need to be that little bit open that allows people to truly connect with you. Again, if you think of all the speakers today, the ones who are in their heart space, which is pretty much everybody, I felt really connected with, right? But equally, I see speakers that are really heady, and then I can't connect with them. Right? So vulnerability, and you only need to share the right amount of vulnerability to have the impact you want to have. That doesn't mean I talk about that time, I'm not divorced, but I got divorced, or this happened to me and I fell apart. It depends on your audience. Yes? Feel free to take pictures, by the way, if you want, if that's easier for you. I don't mind, as long as I'm in them looking really cool. That's kind of fine. Hi! Hashtag Elliot looks cool, right? But vulnerability is a massive connectivity tool, and people underestimate it. I work with a lot of academics, I work with CEOs, I work with people that their barriers are up because they can't appear weak. But when they open that door of vulnerability, they get received in a way that normally they won't be received. But it doesn't weaken them, it strengthens them. If you think of all the TED Talks you watch and like, there's an element of vulnerability. If you watch Malala speak, she's not a natural speaker, but she's so vulnerable but yet powerful. She's far from weak. Would you agree? Emma Watson, when she addressed the UN, for her it was really hard because she had to make that she had to take in seriously outside being an actress for something that really mattered. Again, you see that vulnerability but power. So that's the first thing. Second thing is passion, right? If you're not passionate about a topic, don't talk about it. You'll never be Giraffe if there's no passion there. Humor. Now that doesn't mean be a comedian. Sprinkling humor, again, gives you a different angle. If you're able to interject with a bit of humor, and you're talking about your expertise, that in itself will show off a different side to you, which magnifies your authority as well, right?